2026 Ram Motorhome driving along a winding road. Introducing the all-new 2026 Ram Motorhome, where innovation meets adventure. The motorhome navigates seamlessly through rugged terrain and transitions to smooth city streets, highlighting its versatility. Built on Ram's legendary reliability, the 2026 motorhome is engineered to take you wherever your journey leads. The camera shifts to the interior, revealing a spacious and luxurious living area. Modern kitchen appliances, plush seating, and a panoramic skylight create a welcoming atmosphere. Step inside and experience a world of comfort, with cutting-edge technology and the space you need to make every mile memorable. Quick shots showcase solar panels charging on the roof, an advanced all-wheel drive system powering through muddy trails, and a touchscreen dashboard guiding the way. With advanced features like solar-powered efficiency, all-wheel drive capability, and an expandable living space, the 2026 Ram Motorhome redefines the meaning of freedom. The scene transitions to a family gathered around a campfire under the stars, their motorhome glowing softly in the background. Your adventure begins here. The 2026 Ram Motorhome, built for the journey, designed for the destination. The Ram logo appears on the screen with the tagline, 2026 Ram Motorhome, ready for anything. The motorhome glides effortlessly along a winding coastal highway, sunlight reflecting off its sleek exterior. Every detail of the 2026 Ram Motorhome is crafted for those who seek freedom without compromise. From open roads to off-road trails, this is the motorhome that redefines exploration. The camera focuses on the motorhome parking near a serene lake. The awning extends automatically, providing shade as a couple sets up chairs and relaxes. Smart, intuitive features ensure every moment is effortless. With touch-enabled controls, expandable living spaces, and energy-efficient power solutions, the Ram Motorhome adapts to you. The scene transitions to a stormy night. The motorhome's LED headlights cut through the rain as it navigates safely, emphasizing all-weather reliability. Whether it's sunshine or storm, the 2026 Ram Motorhome is built to handle the unexpected. Equipped with advanced safety systems and all-wheel drive capability, nothing stands in your way. Inside, a family prepares a meal in the fully equipped kitchen while kids play a game in the seating area. More than a vehicle, it's a home on wheels. From gourmet cooking to relaxing evenings under the stars, the 2026 Ram Motorhome ensures every journey feels like home. The camera zooms out to show the motorhome under a clear night sky, stars reflected in a nearby lake. Adventure isn't just a destination. It's how you get there. The 2026 Ram Motorhome, ready for every road, every moment, every dream. The Ram logo appears again, with the tagline, built to explore. Designed to stay. Thanks for watching. Take care and subscribe my YouTube channel.